now that I'm 54 years old, I rely on deeper microneedling treatments to really move the needle on my skin's elasticity and texture. When you needle at these depths, a 0.5 and above, the device is only half the equation. The formulation in the serum that you use is absolutely everything, because you are bypassing your skin's protective barrier and pushing ingredients straight into the living dermis. Today, I'm sharing my absolute favorite clean microneedling ampoules, the science behind them. Let's get started. The most important thing is, what are the ingredients that you should absolutely not use on your skin when you're microneedling at a 0.5 or above, and which ingredients are okay. So do not use parabens, do not use harsh preservatives. They can cause actually granulomas and inflammation when pushed deep into the skin. You don't want to use any fragrance, any essential oils, silicones like dimethicone, active acids or retinoids. I know that there are people that use retinoids to microneedle with. You really don't need to, because retinoids actually have no problem getting into the skin. I don't understand that. We're actually trying to slow down the process on that. But anyway, also no vitamin C's during the physical needling process. So some things that you do want is high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. This is going to be great for glide, okay? Also growth factors, peptides to help stimulate collagen. Some other things that you want to look for is exosomes for cellular communication, PDRN, which is actually salmon DNA extract. That is going to help for extreme healing and plumpness. I want to talk to you about, because after doing some research, I found out that there is actually high quality and low quality collagen, which I guess when you think about it, actually probably makes sense that as we age, maybe our collagen that we do continue to create isn't as high quality as what it once was when we were younger, and come to find out that is definitely the case. Okay, so when you are using an ampoule instead of just dry needling, it comes down to the quality of the collagen that you are building. Okay, when we are young, our skin is made of strong, tightly woven type 1 collagen. Think of it like a perfectly constructed bouncy basket. But when you create a wound by dry needling, your body panics. It rushes to close the wound as fast as possible, throwing down disorganized, rigid type 3 collagen. It's just a quick patch job. Think of your skin like an older house that needs a remodel. Dry needling is like bringing in a demolition crew to knock holes in the drywall. It forces your body to wake up and start fixing it. But because we are over 50, our internal supply of building materials is a little low. So adding these professional serums right into those open channels is like actually having a fleet of delivery trucks pull up at the exact second the demolition is done, dropping off premium materials and a team of master contractors. You might be wondering, how do we actually know these serums build better collagen? It's because ingredients like exosomes and stem cells instantly lower inflammation. They tell your skin to stop panicking, take its time, and rebuild using that strong, tightly woven type 1 collagen that gives us youthful structure. So let's get into my professional grade ampoules, okay? Let's talk about the Velatox GF11. I'm starting with this one because if your main goal is pure collagen production, and also if you want to firm up sagging skin and build that strong type 1 collagen, this is going to be your absolute heavy hitter. GF stands for growth factors, and it has 11 of them, hence the name GF11. So to go back to our house remodel analogy, growth factors are the foremen on the job site. They are the literal messengers that hand the blueprints to your cells and yell at them to start building fresh collagen. Putting this directly into those microchannels is giving your collagen factory the ultimate jumpstart. Let's go ahead and talk about the next one. This one is very popular in Korea. They do the PDRN microneedling sessions, and one of the brands that I've been loving is Curenex Skin Booster. So this features one of the most important ingredients you'll see in professional microneedling, which is PDRN. And PDRN is derived from salmon DNA. And again, like I said, in South Korea, this is the gold standard for clinical rejuvenation to achieve that famous ultra plump glass skin like. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get that glass skin. Okay, I just want to be clear about that, especially at our age, but I think you're definitely going to see some plumpness and definitely a lot more hydration. It actually repairs the damaged DNA of your tired skin cells so they can do their jobs better. This formulation is also combined with glutathione, which is going to be incredible for radiant, bright complexion and tighter pores. One of the ones that I first started using was the Anteage microneedling solution. I used that for a couple of years when I first started microneedling about, 3.5 to 4 years ago, maybe. It is famous. The Anteage microneedling solution is famous for using bone marrow stem cell derived from growth factors, okay? Actual human bone marrow. Again, it's not skin tissue, it's actual cell-derived growth factors. But this is actually the ultimate anti-inflammatory. If your skin gets very red or angry during microneedling session, this is definitely going to help put out the fire, which is why I loved it. I love to use it because the calmness went down quite quickly when I used the Anteage microneedling solution. It definitely helps to put out the fire and calms that panic response that we talked about. Now, if you are wanting something like that, but you do not want to use growth factors that are used from human bone marrow, you might want to check out Dr. Rajani Plasmasomes. Yeah, this is a great solution as well. This is actually a premium cutting edge option using plant-derived technology to mimic human exosomes. The healing speed, communication, and rejuvenation on these are really absolutely top tier, and I think that you're going to really like them. This definitely calmed my face down very quickly. I really did like kind of the plumpness of it as well and what my skin looked like the next day, so this is a good one. All right, the next one is I love Platinum Skincare. And I'm going to be doing a whole video on a lot of their products that I absolutely love. But this is their Alqemi, their Exo-PDRN. This combines exosomes and PDRN. You get the cellular repair of the DNA, along with the messenger signals of exosomes for incredible textural improvement and bouncy hydration. The next one is their Exo-Spot, okay? I don't use this all over the face. You definitely can if you have a lot of hyperpigmentation, but that is really what this is for, is hyperpigmentation. Or if you get those red kind of brown spots from acne scars, okay, you definitely can use this. That's going to help you greatly. I, at the moment, have just been using this as a dark spot treatment. I didn't show you already. They come in these glass little vials. All of these do come in glass vials. And what's really important is that they are secured, okay, with that aluminum on top. And because there are literally no preservatives or a very, very small preservative, depending on what you're buying, you need to use these within 48 hours. That's really key. And if you are like microneedling every 4 to 6 weeks, this is definitely going to last you like half a year. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right. So how do you use these? Well, actually, I'm going to be doing a whole video. So I suggest if you're looking into microneedling, go ahead and check out my videos on what pen to purchase. I've done several videos on stampers, rollers, doomer rollers. I also have motorized pens. The one that you can be consistent with is really the key. Then what you're going to want to do, go ahead and purchase a serum. And if you want to keep it just really beginner, just purchase this. Just purchase the Cos de Baja hyaluronic acid. That's it. And if you want to keep it at beginner, if you want to move it up, purchase one of the ones that I've talked about. You definitely can. I think I have a discount code for a lot of the other ones I will post in the description box, as well as I like to pin a comment as well. But I'm going to be doing a whole video on how to actually use these serums with a motorized pen with a stamper, the actual technique, the aftercare right after the treatment, as well as the 7 days after microneedling. So if that is something that you're interested in, you're not going to want to miss that. Let me know what your favorite serum is. I would love to know. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. Until next time.